Hi students, hope that you are doing well at home. Before we move on to the next section in geometry, I'd like to touch a little bit on area of triangle, even though this concept may be familiar to many of you, but I think I need to emphasize on this concept, and I hope all of you can remember this concept in the long run. So for area of triangle, all of us must be able to identify the base and the height of the triangle on the diagram. Things to look out for is the base and the height of the triangle are always perpendicular to each other. So at times we may be giving you questions with many different information on the triangle. So ultimately you must be able to find the base and the height of the triangle using this property. They are always perpendicular to each other, meaning they are always 90 degrees against each other. So this is a very simple right angle triangle whereby you could actually see the base and the height with this 90 degrees angle here. So meaning 3 cm is the base and 4 cm is actually the height of the triangle. So to get the area is basically half times 3 times 4. Moving on to the next one. So this is slightly more challenging. So with reference to the shaded triangle, bear in mind we are not looking at the big triangle, we are looking at the shaded triangle. So we need this part here. Are you able to locate the base and the height? So this, we could actually see a 90-degree sign here. But unfortunately, we are not looking at the big triangle. We are looking at the shaded triangle. Therefore, we can't be using 6 as the 6 cm as a base. So this kind of slanted triangle, this shaded triangle is actually known as a slant triangle. So a slant triangle will never have the base and height touching each other. Just bear that in mind. And we could see 4 cm here as the base of the slant triangle and the height being 3 cm. So in order for me to get the area of the slant triangle will be half times base times height, which will give me the area being 6 cm square. So I hope all of you can remember this important concept, and in the long run we will be using this concept again. Okay, hope that you have enjoyed yourself.